Alright, hello boys, and we're gonna do first the blue box in the center. This one, put this in the center. Inset. And increase the width 200. Still not enough. Yeah, and the height by 10 pixel, and put a border. And the radius 20. That seems to take care of the thing. And yeah. Name this rect. Rect out and rect in. Rect out. This is rect out. Now let's copy this for the rect in. Name this rect in. You can reduce the width and the height. 760 and the height is 30. Right. The color is this yellow. And remove the radius. Move this to the top. Negative like 50 pixel. You can see it now. 60 and reduce the height to 15 pixel. 10 to 14 and move this to the bottom, so 58. 56. Excuse me. Increase the height 16. I bet this is 15 here. And ours is thicker, so 14. And increase the width to 10 pixel. 72, 3, 72 and 15. 15. Ours is still bigger. Now let's create a copy of this box shadow. Move this to the bottom, so 100. Just 56 pixel. 56 pixel. And 0, 0. The color is yellow. Here, this seems fine to me. This is 1470. No, it's little. Our style is little. If you put back the 72 and 15, ours is bigger. What's the correct here? Anyway, we can submit this. Oh, wait, the color of the background first. Copy the back shadow for the rect out. We can put 0 here because we don't need a vertical offset, but we have to modify the size to 150 pixel and submit. .99% There's a slight